Jai Sai Ram to everyone. Do you know why 28th February is famous? 28th February is celebrated as National Science Day every year. Why we celebrate National Science Day on 28th February? It is celebrated as National Science Day to mark the discovery of Raman Effect by Sir C.V.Raman in 1928. One day, when Sir C.V.Raman was coming back to home, then he thought that while the color of sea is blue, and he was not convinced that the color of sea is blue due to the color of sky. So he discovered Raman Effect.
Raman was born in Tirutuvali in southern India on November 7, 1888. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics. Since his childhood, he has seen an educational environment in his family. He was a brilliant student. He got gold medal in his bachelor's and distinctions in his master's of physics. He did his college from Presidency College of Madras. After his studies, he started working as the Honorary Secretary of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science at Calcutta. For working around 15 years in Calcutta, he became a lecturer in Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. He has also given Indian Journal of Physics. He was an editor of the journal. His favorite topics were structure of diamond and many other things. He gave us the famous Raman Effect about the scattering of light. He died on November 21 in 1970. He has said, "I am the master of my mistakes. If I will not fail, how will I learn?" These famous words of C.V.Raman motivate us to try until we get succeed in our life. Thank you. Happy National Science Day.
The theme for NSD 2022 is Integrated Development in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. The pandemic 2020 reminded us all about the power of science, technology and innovation. So I'll be telling you about an innovative person named as Benish Desai. He was just 11 years old when he got the idea of making bricks from the waste material. So finally, at the age of 23, he developed P-block bricks which were made from the waste produced by the paper mills. And even in this pandemic era, he tried and even he succeeded to make the bricks from the biomedical waste such as PPE kits and masks which were of no use. Such innovations provide sustainable solutions to the grassroots problems. The most important skill for the young scientist is to learn how to learn, because once you master the art of learning, you can change the world. Thank you.
Science. Can you define science? I think there is no particular definition for science. Why? Because wherever we look around, there is science, science and only science. Earlier, we had started with the generation of fire with the help of rubbing of stones. And now we have reached to the moon and the other planets as well. So what is science? Science is what we see, science is what we experience, and science is what we observe all around. Earlier, we had started with making a machinery device who could work as a human being, that's called as a computer. The size of a computer was as big as of 2 or 3 rooms, but now you can carry the computer in your pockets. It's that much small that you can carry it or you can hold it within a hand of yours. So this is what? This is just a science and technology. We are very lucky and blessed to have this subject with us. It's not like science is restricted over somewhere. Maybe after 10 years, 20 years, 50 and 100, we would be reaching everywhere with a bunch of or with a click of an eye. So just enjoy the science, experience it as much as possible and learn, experience and apply. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered that how you can write magically It's totally done on basis of science which you used to learn in your theoretical classes. Children, there is lot to do, lot to perform and lot to learn in this science theoretical subject. Science is that tool that make us learn all the physical and the chemical changes which are revolving or happening inside this world. A small microorganism, a tiny bacteria, we can usually obtain or study in this theoretical subject according to the practical basis with the help of microscope. There is lot to do, right? So, from the SSP's family, we wish you National Science Day